Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping straight into Cardano ADA. We do see $1.17 currently on the price chart, a 0.19% increase in the last 24 hours. If we take a look across the cryptoverse altogether, we are seeing about a 1.11% increase. Bitcoin now making its way to 32K, Ethereum very, very close to 2K. We have, like I said, Cardano up 0.4% or 0.2% at the moment, continuing to do fairly well at $1.17. Altcoins are obviously going to be a little bit delayed on this increase or recovery back up. We've seen this in the past. Altcoins do struggle to, make that full recovery in that quick of a time. So I do expect Cardano to make its way back to $1.30 by the time we see more volatility. Realistically, we are going to see more volatility. We've talked about September being the possible bottom that will bring altcoins to their lowest lows and giving everyone a great opportunity to buy yet again. I do think, dollar cost averaging in during this low market or these market dips is probably the best way to enter the market. So do keep that in mind. I will say, guys, realistically, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. I do want to talk about Cardano today and price predictions as well as information and news regarding Cardano. So before we get started, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. We do see a $37.5 billion market cap right now, continuing to see volume around that $2 billion range in the last 24 hours. But if we look at the last week, we do still see a 7.34% decrease, making its way all the way down to about $1.03. We also saw in the last month a 0.56% decrease. So not too bad in the last month. Cardano has actually been, kind of standing itself up compared to other coins, doing much, much better than many altcoins out there. But I do want to talk about specifically, a few articles that, go into why Cardano has been really better marketing compared to other chains. So let's jump straight into the first one. Benjamin Cohen, obviously a lot of you guys know who this guy is. He's a very, very awesome guy to watch in crypto. Stresses why Cardano has better marketing compared to other chains. So Benjamin Cohen, a top crypto analyst, also recently stressed the particular reason why Cardano, the emerging smart contract platform, has been outperforming other blockchain projects in terms of product marketing. You may argue that Cardano does not have smart contracts yet, but at least they have figured out a good system with regards to validators and delegators. Most other chains are a complete mess. And you wonder why Cardano has a better marketing. The products market themselves. So Benjamin Cohen on why Cardano ADA is trending well. In his new video, he talks about this really. Despite the current situation in the market, according to Cohen, one of the reasons is that the blockchain platform is easy to use and validate. So we're not going to jump into too much of it. He does have his quote here talking about it. And, it's great to see Cardano doing so well in comparison to other altcoins because it's a coin that I talked about, since the start of this channel. It's a coin I've believed in for quite some time, and it's a coin I believe during that bull market part 2, when it does come, we are going to see massive, massive returns for a lot of people. I do want to talk about Cardano as well. So the crowdfunding platform, traditional crowdfunding involved here with AdaPulse.io. They talk about it a little bit, the proposal, and they go into details. Just wanted to give you guys an understanding of Cardano. If you guys didn't know much about it, it gives you more of an indicator of what it really is on AdaPulse.io. So definitely take a look yourself. Cardano, as this Cardano ecosystem continues to evolve and grow, we are seeing more and more projects and ideas and platforms being created. We also see Cardano declare success with Alonzo White hard fork upgrade. Cardano's Alonzo White hard fork upgrade has been successfully completed, paving the way for smart contract integration. In a huge step forward for the Cardano ADA network, the Alonzo White hard fork upgrade has been completed, paving the way, like we said, for those smart contract integrations. The innovation Alonzo network upgrade is a key step as the project moves towards the full launch release date in August. With White hard fork complete, Cardano is now functional for integration with most DeFi applications, allowing the network to be a genuine alternative to Ethereum. This will obviously be a very, very big competition between Cardano and Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum getting a head start with, grabbing so many different projects already. But I do believe Cardano is going to start grabbing quite a bit. We do also see BitTrue to support native assets on Cardano through OCCADA listing. We've talked about this prior in our last Cardano video, I believe, but it's such a big thing I wanted to kind of mention it quickly here again. So BitTrue, a cryptocurrency exchange, had announced that it would become the first exchange to support native assets on the Cardano ecosystem, starting with the OCAM.Fi native token OCC, issued as both Cardano native token OCCADA, or really an ERC20 token on Ethereum. So BitTrue's Cardano native token support represents the first time that a Cardano-based token has been made available for trading on an exchange. So this is definitely continuing to show support for Cardano. It's good to see exchanges showing support, obviously, as like I said, this ecosystem continues to grow, and we continue to see big use cases and utility being used across the Cardano ecosystem. We jump into Cardano ADA, now available on Newton, Canada. So wasn't planning to write a second post after my post about the great deal on Ledger hard wallets. That's on right now, but I just saw some news and I really wanted to share it with you. This is one of my friends in Canada. Newton Crypto has added Cardano ADA. So this is a big deal, continuing to see more and more really jumping on board with Cardano. I'm not going to jump too far into this. I just jumped to a random article real quick. Just want to kind of mention it. But, there is a lot going on with Cardano, and that's exactly why the market opens betting that Cardano won't release smart contracts by October 1st. The odds are 63 to 37 against, according to recent trading levels on Polymarket. We've talked about Polymarket before. We did a quick ad on Polymarket, and it's just great to see people betting against Cardano, as, realistically, I believe Cardano is a platform, or really a coin, that's going to continue to take off. And I think, they've done pretty much everything they've said they're going to, and I think, it's just going to continue to be a very, very bullish outlook on the future of Cardano. But it is interesting for sure to see the odds 63 to 37 against this October 1st smart contracts release. So we'll see what happens. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date, obviously, with that specifically. I do want to jump back into the price chart right now, though. We are seeing $1.18, continuing to see some kind of increase. We saw $1.17 a second ago, so it's great to see, like I said, this continue to jump up. I think, like I said, $1.25 to $1.35 is within range in the upcoming days ahead. I think this could even happen by the end of the day before we see more volatility and see the crypto markets obviously continue to move up and down randomly. I do think, there is a little bit of randomness right now in the market with FUD and manipulation. A lot of people just jumping in and jumping out without no really care in the world. So just keep that in mind when jumping in, that I am not a financial advisor, and always do your own research before investing. Make sure it's a long-term project you believe in so that you won't feel bad about those little small dips. I've talked about the path that Cardano could take in the upcoming months before, but I'm going to say realistically by the end of the year, we could see prices ranging anywhere from $3 to $5 by the end of the bull market part 2 that we do expect to be coming very, very soon. I would say around September, October is my current estimate, but I think by that bull market part 2 end, we could see Cardano pushing around $7 to $10 as a current price point. So we'll see if that does happen. We'll keep you guys up to date with price predictions and obviously any Cardano news and updates. So if you guys want to stay up to date with Cardano, as well as so many other altcoins across the channel, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I can't thank you guys enough as we get closer and closer to 100K subscribers. You guys are the reason crypto is fun, and also obviously making money. So we will try to help you guys make money here on the channel. I'll see you guys again in the next one.